Luxury meets sporty performance with the new 2023 Chrysler 300 Touring. You can see it in frostbite metallic, but guess what? This thing jumps, jives, and wails, but it ain't no snail. That's right. Beneath the hood is the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 with variable valve timing, which means 30 miles per gallon. We're rolling on 20-inch black noise wheels wrapped in Firestone Firehawk GTs. That's right. And it does have the blacked out package with the mirrors, the grille, and that beautiful black interior. We have the console rotary shift right there. You connect with Sirius XM, Android, Apple CarPlay, 140 mile per hour speedometer, and analog clock. It's luxury after all. Seating 4-5, rear air and connectivity, dual zone air conditioning, and also plenty of room in the trunk for your gear, for your crew, right back here. So guess what? Get ready for an awesome experience in traveling and touring with this new 2023 Chrysler 300 Touring right here at Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.